Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make a fantastic business infographic in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Go to insert and add a rounded cornered rectangle like this and adjust it like this. Go to shape format and go to outline and give it a dashed outline and go to fill and no fill. Now duplicate it by clicking Ctrl D, duplicate it 4 times. Select all of these, move them to the right side and a little bit down. Now add a new slide, remove any of the shapes on it and add this shape, decrease its size and make its length a little bit larger. Now rotate it and remove its outline and paste it right here on the first slide. Increase its size and adjust it like this that it comes half into the first rounded cornered rectangle. There you go. Decrease its radius a little bit more. Select it. There you go. Now you have to click on Control D to duplicate it and move it to the next rounder rectangles and like this add it into all. Now add a triangle and rotate it like this. Move it right here and duplicate it by go to outline and no outline, duplicate it by clicking Ctrl D and move them on every rounded rectangle. Now select each of the triangle and the rectangle and go to merge and union and merge them like this. Now select this one and go to shape fill and change its color. I will provide the code of these colors in my description below. You can also download this editable template from my description below. Now go to next slide and add this rectangle, give it shadow and preset like this. Now click Ctrl X and go to first slide and move it right here like this. Now you have to just in between the rectangle and duplicate it and move it onto the next and next and next rectangle. Now adjust them in between the rectangles. Now select this one and go to shape format and go to shape fill and give this gray color to the each of the squares. There you go. Now it's time to add these little circles right here on this outline. Change each of color according to the each of the shapes color you have used. Add them right onto this outline onto each rectangle. There you go. Now the next thing you have to do is you have to go to insert and icons and you have to select 4 icons for your template. You can choose according to your preferences. So I'm going to choose these 4. Now click on insert and there you go. Now separate all of these and you have to select all of these. And now you have to decrease their size equally. Now move each of these into separate rounded rectangles and change each of its color according to the rectangle's color. There you go. And this is the last one. I'm gonna go to shape fill and change its color to blue. Now it's time to add some text. You can add according to your preferences. I'm gonna add right here and change the heading color into each of the templates color. Like if I'm gonna add this text on this blue one, I'm gonna change the headings color to blue. So there comes the body of the text. Decrease its size and right here like this, place it under the heading. Perfect. Add each of the text into each of the rounded corner rectangles. There you go. Cut this remaining slide. And this is the final result. Be sure to like the video and subscribe my channel for more videos like these.